Let's solve next problem from exercise 1.4, that is fifth question. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? Temperature at 12 noon means afternoon time, it was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Above 0 means plus it will be, okay, plus 10 degrees Celsius. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, means if it start decreasing 2 degrees Celsius every hour until midnight, okay, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? Means below 0 means children minus 8 degrees Celsius we have to consider here, okay. What would be the temperature at midnight? Exactly at midnight 12 o'clock, what will be the temperature also we have to find, okay. Difference in temperature, that is 10 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. It is in the afternoon time plus 10 degrees Celsius we have temperature, minus 8 degrees Celsius, below 0 they said that children, minus 8 degrees Celsius. Both difference how much it is, let us find. 10 minus of minus 8. Minus into minus is equal to plus, 10 plus 8 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 18 degrees Celsius. Difference in temperature is totally 18 degrees Celsius, okay. Decrease in temperature in 1 hour. Every hour 2 degrees Celsius decrease will be there. Therefore, number of hours taken to have temperature 8 degrees Celsius below 0, which is equal to total distance divided by decrease in 1 hour. Means therefore, number of hours taken to have temperature 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Total distance means children, already you got 18 and decrease in 1 hour is 2, is it? 18 degrees Celsius divided by 2 degrees Celsius. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. Means totally 9 hours. 12 o'clock after 1, 2, 3 like this, if you consider exactly 9 hours afterwards we will get that temperature. That's so at 9 p.m. the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0, okay. Next one more thing, temperature at midnight is equal to 10 degrees Celsius minus of 2 into 12 degrees Celsius. Every hour 2 degrees Celsius it will decrease, totally 12 hours because afternoon to night, okay. Totally 12 hours, how much it will decrease? 10 minus 2 into 12 or 12 twos are 24, is it? 10 degrees Celsius minus 24 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 14 degrees Celsius. In 24 you subtracted 10, you got 14. 24 is bigger integer, it has minus, means we have to insert minus. Temperature at midnight is equal to minus 14 degrees Celsius, okay. Next question. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. If you attempt one question correct, plus 3 marks you will get. One wrong, minus 2 marks it will go. If you not attempted children, okay. If you not attempted, here we will not cut any marks, means 0 marks for not attempting any questions, okay. First one, Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Let us solve first this one and then we will go for the next question. Given marks allotted for each correct answer is equal to plus 3 and marks allotted for each incorrect answer is equal to minus 2. If you wrote correct, plus 3 will get, one wrong, minus 2 marks it will go. Score of Radhika is equal to 20. Number of questions she attempted correctly is equal to 12, is it? 12 questions correct. Then number of questions she attempted correctly is equal to 12. If she attempted 12 means how many marks she should get? That is marks obtained for 12 correct answers is equal to 12 into plus 3. Positive integer, no need to put plus, okay. 12 into 3, 12 3 is a 36. Totally 36 marks she got. But score is only 20, means remaining marks where it gone? Marks deducted for her incorrect answers is equal to, in total score minus 36 children. 20 minus 36 is equal to minus 16. Means in 36 you subtracted 20, 16 you got, bigger integer sign is minus, so minus 16 you got, okay. Therefore, number of incorrect answers is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2. Just now you got minus 16 children, divided by minus 2. For each question 2 marks we have to deduct it, is it? We are going to divide these two. Minus 16 divided by minus 2 is equal to 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, minus minus cancelled. Therefore, 8 wrong questions she attempted, okay. Incorrect answers we can say. Therefore, number of incorrect answers is equal to 8. In the sixth question, second main, Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test, though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Here starting information everything same children, only second main we are going to solve. Mohini scores minus 5 marks, means she not got proper marks children here, marks gone already negative here. Given marks allotted for each correct answer is plus 3, marks allotted for each incorrect answer is equal to minus 2. There will be no change here. Score of Mohini is minus 5. Number of questions she attempted correctly is equal to 7. Okay, 7 correct answers children for that reason. Number of questions she attempted correctly is 7. Then how many marks she got for 7 answers? Marks obtained for 7 correct answers is equal to 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. Okay, 21 marks she got. Then 2 marks deducted for her incorrect answers is equal to minus 5 is her score. In minus 5 this subtract it minus 21. Then minus 5 minus 21 is equal to minus 26 because negative term addition. Minus 26 means these many marks are deducted now. Therefore, number of incorrect answers is equal to this minus 26 divided by minus 2 we have to do. Okay. Minus 26 divided by minus 2 is equal to 13. Minus minus cancelled, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 threes are. Therefore, number of incorrect answers is equal to 13. Last one, an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. Consider a lift children. If you are in the 10th floor, we are moving to the ground floor. Okay, we will consider it as descents, means we are going to down. Okay, downwards we are considering. If the descent starts from 10 meter above means we will consider it as 10th floor. Okay, above the ground level. How long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? Minus 350 meter means not only ground, still down we have to go. Okay, like underground we have to reach minus 350 meter. Okay, let's find difference in heights at two positions, 10 meter and minus 350 meter. What is the difference between these two we have to find? 10 and minus 350 as it is you write down. Difference means in between minus we have to put. Okay, 10 meter minus into minus is plus 350 meter means 10 plus 350 meter which is equal to 360 meter. Totally this much distance means from 10th floor to reach up to 360 meter. How much time we need we are going to find. Okay, rate of descent is equal to 6 meter per minute. They given a children per 1 meter 6 meter we can go. Therefore, time taken is equal to 360 divided by 6 means 360 meter divided by 6 meter. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, 0. Totally time how much it will take? 360 divided by 6 is equal to 60 minutes it will take. Okay, 6 ones are 6 6 are 36, 0. 60 minutes is nothing but 1 hour. Means to reach minus 350 meter, it takes 1 hour for us. Thank you.